Hello, teacher and everyone. Is coronavirus keeping you home? I hope you're not getting mad with this situation. There is a solution. And today I would like to talk to you about staycations. Even though this is a concept for a particular moment of our lives, which is vacations, I thought it could be useful to use it for the circumstances we're living today with coronavirus. So we are staying at home and we are not in vacations, but in 2 weeks we will have the Holy Week, that is sort of vacation, and we can spend well our time in these days. So that is why I would like to talk to you about how to use your time at home these days. Who's interested in this project? I think almost everybody these days, when the world is kind of paralyzed for this virus. But I think, what if this had happened like 20 years ago? I think the world would have totally stopped, because there were not resources like the ones we have today, thanks to the way we communicate today, and we have this fast, immediate information and facility to talk to others all around the world. Thanks to the way we work today, many people work from home with telework, and to the different tools we can see developed, we can totally keep going in a normal life, kind of normal life. For example, I am a teacher and I have been teaching all these days to my students from my house. We can have this teleconference by Google Meet, or I can send them some homework for Google Classroom and grade it for them, and they send it back to me and they have this retroalimentation. Okay, so I think we can totally face this situation with all the tools we have today. Some useful advices to use your time these days. First, make a schedule in which you include different kinds of activities. If you just don't put limits, then the time flies and you will probably end working 16 or more hours a day. So you have to put some limits and respect them. Second, do some exercise every day, because if not, you will grow a lot and you will be sick at the end of this. So you can use a video or just do some exercises you already know, or use a machine you have at home. The important thing is to move your body. Okay. Third, divide your house's areas for different kinds of activities. Psychologically, if you do not divide these, you will start making a mix of everything, and that is not healthy for your mind. So you should not work at your bedroom or eat at your office, or sleep where you do some exercise. So it is useful psychologically to divide the spaces. Fourth, make a list of movies you would like to watch and books you would like to read. This could be useful because we all would like to do some stuff we don't have time for in our normal lives, so now we should use it for this, and watch a movie someday or read a book. That is really healthy, and also if you eat popcorn, it would be better, even better. Okay, so I would like to give you a small tour for my house. This is where I am working right now, so I have a good site, good illumination, good space, and it is different from my bedroom, so it is a good place. But I don't eat in there because I have my lunch in the dining room and my breakfast too and all that, so I can dedicate specific time for specific issues. Then I have this small machine here where I can run for a while every day or just use a video and move my body. Okay, and it is different from my bedroom because it wouldn't be good, it would smell bad and all that, you know? Okay. The third, the dining room is a place where you can totally share with your family, and you shouldn't be working there or using your cell phone there. I think it is healthier to do it in separated places. And finally, the bedroom, it is just to rest, not to eat, not to work, not to communicate with others, just to rest. So you can spend some time there and just disconnect of everything and have a good sleep at night. Okay, at the end, this is a time for family time at home. So if you have your kids close, just play with them and dedicate some time to them, enjoy with them. And if you're not close to your family, you can totally use Skype or any other media you like to talk to them and have some time together. So I think that this virus, even though it's separating all of us, it can also make us closer. Okay, and there are other options. It depends on your interests. But for example, we have museums, online museums you can visit from your own house. So we have National Women's History Museum, the National Museum of the United States Air Force, the Google Art Project, and some others like the Vatican Museums, the NASA, the Dali Theater Museum, and also in New York there are different operas that they are transmitting in live stream, so you can totally follow these kind of activities. And when the Holy Week comes, you can also follow the Mass and all that by internet. So depends on your interests, but the important thing is to use the media we have today. And that is my invitation. So thank you very much, and see you in another time. Goodbye.